The real secret to magic is the shamanic dance underneath the waterfall. The lean into surrender, into transformation. The release of expectation. Entering the liminal space, the planes in between. We approach the earth element and the collective dream. This is how we are seen in reality, how we take the queen when we realize that deep down, we are all our own king. I want to share that little download with you in this epic waterfall out here, just outside Bozeman in Highlight Canyon, where nature is so clear and so abundant. Heaven on earth, clean, fresh water. This is what we're protecting. This is what we are calling in. We are bathing within. What we have to be part of is the conservation of space like this. We get to be part of that. We get to be part of that new awakening. That's what we're doing. Post International Tribe Design Montana, we're finding out how we can better connect with the earth. This is the true secret of magic. Connecting with the elements. Aho, so it is done.